Hello friends. Today I'm going to talk about the functions in JavaScript. So my name is Jyoti Moy and I am a JavaScript instructor online. So let's talk about what is function in JavaScript. So function is nothing but a set of instructions that perform some particular task. How to write function? So I will be using this keyword function and then give some name. Let's say if I'm trying to create a function which add two numbers, then I'll give add. The name should reflect what it does, kind of, and then I give opening round brackets and closing round brackets, because inside that I have to pass the parameters, and then I have a set of curly brackets. So this is a general way of defining a function. So let's discuss what is the use of a function. So function basically increases the readability, modularity, and it reduces the size of the code because function is reusable. So let's say if I create a variable a which I have assigned a value of 5, and then I am creating another variable b where I am assigning a value of 6, and then another variable c which is a plus b, and so basically I'm adding two number but the values are static, right? The 5 is static and 6 is static. So in that case, if I print the two numbers and I say c and I run it, I'll get an output of 11 here. But these are fixed values. So in function I can change and I can pass random values. So for that, first I have to create a function and then I pass parameters a and b, and then I give return a plus b. So I just have to call the function. When you define a function or declare a function, then you have to call it, otherwise it will not work. So I call it just by its name and I pass some values, let's say 11 and 22. And now if I run it, I will get the addition of these two, 33. So next time if I want the addition of two different numbers, I will pass them, let's say 25 and 55, and then I'll get written as 80. If I want the multiplication of that or subtraction of that or division of that, I will just change the operator here, and if I run it, I get the multiplication of the two numbers. So this is the use of function. You declare one and use a many times. So there are different way of creating functions. This is the most generic way. Sometimes functions can be created using like a variable. So you can say variable x equals to function, and I can assign this whole function thing inside a variable, and I won't give a name because the name of the variable is the function. So I can say p and q, and I can return p plus q. So if I want to print some value using the function, I'll just get console.log and then x, and then I will pass the value 3 and 4. So hopefully it's going to return 7. So I will run this and let's see, here's the problem. X, oh, he did not write the name properly. If you can see TI now, this is returning 7. Okay, there is another way we can create a function which is called an arrow function, which is the latest addition to JavaScript, and it is written in somewhat similar way, the way we write the function as a variable. It is like hello, and let's say, and then I write this and this, and then I can give return hello world. Okay, So now let's say I want to print that and I give hello. So hopefully I will get the response. Function hello. Oh, I have to keep the run brackets as well because I'm calling the function. Yeah. So I get hello world. So that's all about it. Thank you very much.